guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a fall what I eat in a day video for myself and my toddler boy. Brooks is 2 years old and he likes to eat, and I know you guys have requested this type of video. So we are going to be showing you guys what we eat today. So first things first, I'm just getting Brooks up and ready for the day. We always like to just spend some time together first thing in the morning and read a book after I get him dressed and his diaper changed. So that's what we're doing here, and then we're gonna head into the kitchen.
Hi guys, hello.
Are you ready for breakfast?
Strawberry and oatmeal.
Strawberries and oatmeal. All right, sounds good. All right, you guys heard it. He is having oatmeal and strawberries today. So I'm just starting out by getting a sippy cup and his bowl down, and then I'm going to make his oatmeal. So I love getting the Quaker oatmeal packets. They're just real easy and he loves them. So it's just the maple flavored, and I just add a little bit of milk into his cup and I heat the water up. Now he doesn't like his oatmeal super runny, so I just put a little bit of water into the bowl and heat it up, and then once it's done, I just mix the oatmeal in with it and it's good to go. He's waiting patiently. He loves sitting up here on the stools or at his little table, so that's where he's at today. And I'm going to go ahead and cut up the strawberries. I like to give him his oatmeal first because then he eats it a little bit better. If I gave him the fruit first, he would just down it. So I'm just washing the strawberries off and cutting them up, and then I'm going to give them to him and let him have his breakfast. This is what he asks for breakfast 9 times out of 10. Oatmeal and strawberries is definitely his go-to. Then I'm moving on to making myself some coffee. I love this Starbucks Plus. It's got 2 times the caffeine and I love the medium roast. So I'm just gonna make 1 K-cup for myself, and I just put it in my Keurig. I got a new Keurig whenever we moved into this house the beginning of this year, and I love it. I like having the different settings so I can change the cup size if I want to, and then it also has a water storage on the side so I don't have to fill it up every time I want a cup of coffee. And then this is my favorite mug of all time. I got it from Target. I love just how short it is and the handle. I don't know what it is about it, but it's my favorite mug. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make my coffee. And I love this International Delight Caramel Macchiato Creamer. This has been my go-to for a long time. And I sometimes will switch it out. I did get the Caramel Macchiato from Starbucks, but I think I like this one better. Alright, now I'm going to go into my office and just have some quiet time. I try to do this every morning. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, just depending on how Brooks is. But if I can, I love getting some Bible time in before I start the day. And this is today's passage, just studying it. I thought I would share it with you guys. It's now lunchtime and we are about to head out the door, so I'm quickly going to throw some lunch together. I gave Brooks a Go-Go Squeeze pouch just to hold him over, and then I'm also making him a hot dog, cutting up some grapes, and giving him some apple juice. And I actually lost the footage of my lunch, so I'm just going to tell you what it is. I got the Ritz whole wheat crackers, some provolone cheese, and some lunch meat turkey from the deli at our local grocery store. So that is what I had for lunch, and now I'm going to talk to you guys about a subscription service that has some awesome snacks. Okay, so I have a box of snacks here from Variety Fun, and we actually had a really bad storm last night, and I guess they delivered the box kind of late, so the box got soaked, but it's okay. All the good stuff inside didn't get too bad. Variety Fun is a subscription service where you can get snacks sent to your house.
They have different boxes that include fun snacks for kids. They also have a healthy box. They, I think all their boxes have 40 items in there, and they are $24.99. But I have a discount code for you guys. You can use the code FUN20 to get 20% off your first order. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside. We've got pop chips. Love those. I know I love the barbecue flavor. I've had those before. Popcorners. Oh, these are kettle corn ones. We've got cheese doodles, crispy doodles. These are wavy corn chips. I love tortilla chips, so that'll be good. Barbecue chips. We've got hickory barbecue, like kettle chips. Yep, cooked kettle chips. Doritos, goldfish, white cheddar Cheez-Its, regular Cheez-Its. What are these? My Super Cookies, whole grain cookies. Ooh, those will look good. Brooks will probably like those. Animal crackers, Rice Krispie treats. Ooh, and here's little rainbow cookies, fudge stripe cookies. What are these? Elfin crackers, maybe like animal crackers. Couple of chocolate chip cookies. Here's a granola cookie bake. That sounds good. Blueberry pomegranate. More goldfish. Oh, cookie thins. I've seen these everywhere and I've wanted to try them. Ooh, this sounds really good. These are just the vanilla ones. Another Rice Krispie treat. We've got an Airhead. I haven't had one of those in a long time. Fruit snacks. Oh, a couple more Airheads. Orange and watermelon. More cookies. Scooby snacks. Couple things of peanuts. Oreos, 6 full Oreos, 2 granola bars, more cookies. And then, let's see, we've got some little crackers, like cheese crackers. Oh my goodness, you get all of this, you guys, for $25, plus get that 20% off coupon. That's such a good deal. I am super excited about this because we're about to go on vacation, and this is like the perfect travel food. This is awesome. Or if you have kids and they've got friends coming over all the time, this would be great to just have around your house. So definitely go check out Variety Fun. I'll have them linked down below in my description box.
We are out the door. We're running a little bit behind, but I did grab some snacks for him. I've got some goldfish. These are whole wheat. You want goldfish? Yeah. And then I also have some fruit snacks. And I also brought him, if he's good, a sucker. So, okay, I'll get you some goldfish. And we are about to head over to see one of our friends who just had a baby girl. I'm so excited to get to meet her. And that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll come back to the house later and we will cook dinner. I'm gonna be doing a new recipe. Well, it's not a new recipe, but a new one on the vlog. I've never shared this one before. It's a tater tot casserole. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it's super good. Sometimes they call it like a cowboy casserole. But it's got ground beef and tater tots and cheese and sour cream, stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna be making tonight for dinner, and that keeps really well too. So I'll show you that recipe later on. And then I also wanna talk about a really good pumpkin muffin recipe that I tried out the other night. It was so good. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I just got all the baby cuddles. It was so sweet getting to meet Miss Remy Claire. She is so precious. She napped on me for like an hour and it was awesome. It totally gives me baby fever, especially for a little girl. I'm just so not used to girls because our family is so full of boys. But anyways, I am back in my hometown and I'm going through Starbucks now. They're actually having like a what is it, buy one get one free, like happy hour. So I'm getting one for myself and Taylor, and it was only frappuccino beverages or anything with espresso in it. So I got a pumpkin spice latte iced, no whip, and then I got Taylor a white chocolate mocha latte iced. I think that's right. So I'm about to come up here and pay for that, and then we're gonna be headed home. Brooks fell asleep back there. He played so hard. Okay, I'm going through the car wash now. My car needs it so bad, but The iced pumpkin latte is so good. Taylor's looks good too. Might have to try that. Okay, we made it back home and Brooks was about to go down for a little nap, but I just couldn't get him to go back down. So he had a little bit of milk and I'm gonna give him a pumpkin muffin. So this is what I was talking about earlier. I shared it on my Instagram a couple days ago, but you guys, these pumpkin chocolate chip, they've got semi-sweet chocolate chips and white chocolate chips, and these little muffins are bomb. They are so good. I will share the recipe right here if you guys want to make them. All right, Brooks is just having some juice and the muffin. Oh my goodness, it's so good. That is the last one, or I would probably be eating one too. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, he loves them. So does Mama. Okay, so starting on dinner, I am making a tater tot casserole. Let me see if you guys can see this so you can screenshot it. But this is so good. My mom made this whenever I was little, and it's just a quick, easy dinner, and it keeps really well too. So I'm gonna start out by preheating my oven to 375 degrees, and then I'm just going to brown my hamburger meat, and I'm gonna add onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. In the beginning it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only... After the meat is cooked through, I'm just going to drain all of the grease. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams. I ended up cooking all 3 pounds of the hamburger meat, so I'm just putting 1 pound of the meat into a Tupperware container that I'm going to save for later, and then I'm mixing the rest in with the other ingredients for this recipe. So I'm just putting it in a big Pyrex bowl. It's sad to know, it's sad to know. Then I'm adding the 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. You can do sharp or mild, it really doesn't matter, just whatever you prefer. And I'm just gonna mix all of that together, and then I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper into the mixture, and then put it right into my 9x13 baking pan. I'm gonna flatten it out and then take the bag of tater tots and just press each tater tot into the casserole. You want to try to make one even layer so the tater tots can cook through. And then I'm going to top it with some more cheddar cheese and some more salt and pepper. And that is it. That is literally all it takes. It's so easy and it keeps really well. So you're just gonna cook this for 25 to 30 minutes, pretty much until the tater tots are cooked through and the cheese has melted on top. Okay, I just made some sweet tea for Taylor, and I'm making some green beans to go with the casserole. I've got about 16 minutes left, so I like to just bake, or not bake, but I like to cook my green beans down. So I'll just keep adding water to them. Ideally, I like to fry up some bacon and onions first, and then add my green beans and cook them like that. But tonight I just added a little bit of bacon bits and onion powder. So that's what I'm doing for my green beans. Okay, the tater tot casserole just came out of the oven. You guys, it is so good. I can't even tell you how good it is. There's the green beans. I went ahead and made Brooks's plate. That way it could cool off. And I just made myself a little bit of tea. So that's it for dinner tonight. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and like this video if you liked it. Tell me if you guys have tried those pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. You totally should. And if you've made that cowboy casserole, it's so good and so easy to make. Stay tuned for lots of fall content. I've already posted my fall clean and decorate with me video. That one is one of my favorite videos. I love filming those. I love decorate with me's, but I also like the what I eat in a day. I like anything lifestyle, motherhood related. So if you guys like how that sounds, then definitely subscribe. And I'll have some other videos that I've done recently linked down below in the comments if you want to check out a different video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.